Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Everyday Health Guide. If you are new here, please like and subscribe the channel. Feeling tired, gaining or losing weight unexpectedly? It might be your thyroid. Let's break down the difference between hypothyroidism and hypothyroidism in under 2 minutes. What is the thyroid? The thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland in your neck. It produces hormones that control your metabolism, how your body uses energy. Hypothyroidism means your thyroid is underactive. It doesn't make enough hormones. Common symptoms: fatigue, weight gain, cold intolerance, dry skin, depression, slow heart rate causes, Hashimoto's, thyroiditis, autoimmune, iodine deficiency. Post-thyroid surgery hyperthyroidism is the opposite. The thyroid is overactive, producing too much hormone. Common symptoms: weight loss, heat intolerance, anxiety, fast heartbeat, tremors, sweating, causes, Graves' disease, autoimmune, thyroid nodules, excess iodine, diagnosis and treatment. Both conditions are diagnosed with blood tests, checking TSH and thyroid hormone levels. Treatment: hypothyroidism, daily thyroid hormone replacement like levothyroxine. Hyperthyroidism, anti-thyroid medications, radioactive iodine, or surgery. Quick recap: hypo, slow, tired, cold. Hyper, fast, anxious, hot. Your thyroid plays a huge role, so stay tuned into your body. If this helped, give it a like and share. And don't forget to check your thyroid health regularly. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please like and subscribe the channel.